Good day everyone, my name is Pia J. Parocha from Best IT 3B. So welcome to our demonstration of enhanced security features designed to protect user accounts and sensitive data. So in this video, we will explore several advanced security measures including multi-factor authentication or the MFA, security logging, account lockout mechanisms, and rule management. So let's go to the login page. So here's the login page. So first, let's look at multi-factor authentication or MFA. So after entering the username or email and password, users will receive a one-time password or OTP via email. So let's log in. So here we see the user logging in. So an OTP or one-time password has been sent to their registered email address. So let's check the email. So here's the OTP or the one-time password. Let's copy this, then paste to complete the login process, then submit. So here's the user dashboard. So there's a account overview of rule, login attempts, account status. So with MFA or multi-factor authentication enabled, we add an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if a password is compromised, unauthorized access is still prevented. So let's log out this. Then let's log in as a admin. So there's an OTP again. Let's check the email address. So here's the OTP or the one-time password. Let's copy this. Then paste to complete the login process. So then submit. So here's the admin dashboard. So in the admin panel, we have a security logging in the activity logs. So, it provides an audit trail for all admin action including timestamp and IP address tracking. So, here we can see a log of actions performed by the admin in the user, including the date, time, and IP address from which the action was taken. So, here's the actions. Here. So, this log entry shows the admin and user actions at its timestamp where ito, for example, ito yung timestamp niya, tapos ito yung action. So, it provides accountability and traceability. So, let's log out this and let's log in as user. So, let's demonstrate the account lockout mechanism. So, after multiple failed login attempts, the account will be temporarily locked. So let's log in with invalid password. So let's log in as user. Let's copy na lang this. Paste. So it says that invalid user or password. So let's log in with invalid password again. Then it says again invalid user or password. So let's log in again with invalid password. So it says that account is locked due to multiple failed login attempts. Try again later. So as we can see, after 6 failed attempts, the user received a notification which is this account is locked due to multiple failed login attempts. Try again later. So, that their account has been locked for security reasons. So, this feature helps mitigate the risk of brute force attacks by preventing further login attempts. So, next, let's log in as admin naman with valid password. Then let's log in. So there's an OTP again. So let's check the email address. So here's the OTP. Let's copy this. Then paste to complete the login process. So let's submit. So in the admin panel, there's a user management. So here, admins can assign different rules to users controlling their access level. So let's this I love purple06@gmail.com. Let's change her role as admin. Then update. So it says that updated role of user ID for to admin. So ito din yung kanina yung nag-login tayo tapos nag-login tayo ng invalid password kaya na-lock yung account niya. Kaya as admin, pwede mo siyang i-unlock. Tapos it says that user's ID 4 has been unlocked. So this flexibility, changing a user's rule allows for better management of permissions and responsibilities within the system. So, tignan na naman natin yung activity logs. Yung ginawa natin kanina sa user management is napunta dito sa action which is yung change natin yung role nung ID number 4 and in-unlock natin. So, let's log out this. Then, try natin i-log in yung account kanina na lock. Pero, nung nasa admin na tayo is in-unlock natin. Then, itry nating i-log in with, valid password. So, let's log in. So, let's check the OTP. So, here's the OTP. Let's copy this. Then, let's paste to complete the login process. Then, submit. So, here's the dashboard. So, kaninas, nung nag-login tayo as admin, pinalitan natin to, yung role nito, ng admin. Kaya dito napalitan. So, So, in summary, we have demonstrated several advanced security features including multi-factor authentication or DMFA, security logging, account lockout mechanism, rule management. So, these features work together to create a robust security framework that protects user accounts and sensitive data. So, again, my name is Pia J. Paracha from Best IT 3B. Thank you for watching.